Hey YouTube, it's the Duffinator. We're going to take apart my replacement crankcase and see what's inside. I already zipped off the bolts. Just got to pull them out and we'll take a quick look and see what's in here. There's an oil sensor, oil cap. Okay, and there's my replacement valance shaft. That's in very good condition. Okay, bearings. Excellent condition. I know one of these, oh, look at that. Main bearing seals, brand new. Look at that, I wasn't expecting that. Wish I had a brand new crankcase and camshaft, but that's okay. Working governor. That bearing, I felt that from the outside. That's a little boogered up. It sounds gritty too. Can you hear that? Yeah, that's nasty. This other bearing, that's good. But this one, that's all grindy. But yeah, a little bit of good news there. I wasn't expecting all the bearings in here. I wasn't expecting the seals, the bearing seals, to be here. We already know I wasn't expecting the rear main bearing cover. So yeah, I think we're in good shape. So it won't be as expensive as I thought, but I still need help with that crankshaft and camshaft. If you guys know of parts, EH34D is the engine model. Robin Subaru. I need help, guys. You're the only ones who can help me find the sources cheap enough. Thank you. You've been Duffinated.